Hey friends, if you wish to create single desktop shortcuts to open multiple web pages at once, then please watch this video. But first of all, how do you create a shortcut to open a certain web page? Okay, let's say that I needed a shortcut to open geekchamp.com. Okay, so https // geekchamp.com. Okay, so in this case, all I need to do is use the command @echo space off, and in the next line start space the name of the website. Now I'll copy it to Notepad and I'll open it in Notepad. Okay, and I paste it here. I'll save it on the desktop, and I will name it, let's say, Geek Champ, and then change it to all files dot geekchamp.bat, and then I'll hit enter. Okay, now let's try and open this batch file. So I'll double click on this and it suddenly opens geekchamp.com on my system. But what if I wish to open multiple web pages? Okay, all I need to do is hit enter, start the next web page, https / facebook.com start space https / instagram.com. Okay, and I'll copy all of these and create a notepad file, and it starts with echo off, then start and the name of the website. Click on file, save as let's say batch and .bat, and then change it to all files because it's not a text document, and then click on save. Now double click on the batch file and it will open all of these multiple websites at the same time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.